Do you face this kind of challenge anytime you try to sign in, or anytime you try to create a new Udemy account? So what do you do at this point? Let's see. I just put in my Gmail address, sign up, and see it's telling me my Gmail is spelled correctly, and I know my Gmail isn't spelled correctly. So let me use another Gmail to see whether it's going to change the response, and you can see the same thing. I think what's going on is any Gmail you'll be using frequently on different sites, once you try to use it on Udemy, you're going to see this kind of notification that your Gmail is spelled wrongly. So what do you do at this point? Just follow me. If you are new, just click the thumbs up button and the subscribe button so you can receive much more content from me. Open a new Gmail account, or you go to gmail.com and open a new Gmail account. Or if you're like me that have lots of Gmail, I'll just go and pick a Gmail that I'm not using frequently. So let me pick this one, and jerrygray@gmail.com. I've not used this one for so many sites, so I'll just change it. jerrygray@gmail.com, and let me put something else. Okay, let me change this password. No, sorry. So let's go. Let's see what will happen, and let's see. Voila! And jump in. As you can see, I've created a new Udemy account by just using a new Gmail. So click the thumbs up if this video was helpful to you. See you at my next video. Thank you.